Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video on simple yoga poses for relaxation and mindfulness. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some easy and effective poses to get you started on your mindfulness journey. First up, we have the stand tall with your feet together, arms by your side, and palms facing forward. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head towards the sky. This pose is all about finding your balance and grounding yourself. Take a few deep breaths here. If you need more stability, you can stand with your feet hip-width apart. Next, let's move into the kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. This pose is incredibly calming and helps to release tension in your back and shoulders. If you find it uncomfortable, place a blanket under your knees or a pillow between your thighs and calves. Get on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back and look up. This is the cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine and tuck your chin to your chest. This is the cat pose. Flow between these two poses, syncing your breath with your movements. This helps to improve flexibility and relieve stress. Moving on to, from all fours, lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. If your hamstrings are tight, keep a slight bend in your knees. This pose stretches your entire body and calms the mind. Finally, let's finish with the, also known as Savasana. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Allow your body to completely relax. Stay here for a few minutes, letting go of any remaining tension. Incorporating these poses into your daily routine can significantly enhance your relaxation and mindfulness. Remember, the key is to listen to your body and modify the poses as needed. Yoga is not about perfection. It's about finding what feels good for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on living a healthier and happier life. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time.